Hello and welcome from the 2022 range of motorhomes from Forster. Started out as a cheap alternative to other brands with this colouring scheme, this green and this black. Now this thing here is going to cost 58,000 euros, so it's no longer a cheap alternative. It's something which costs the same as everything else, but it does have a sort of fresh and interesting look to it, although the branding is going into such a direction that, for example, this scheme here, which you see on the underside of this bed, which came from Multijet design, which is in the same company and is now used by Roller Team, and now it's being used also by Forster. So German layout at the back, and this is a 7-meter van, or 7-meter class I should say. And let's have a look under the bed. Let's have a look under the bed, because that's where the wardrobe is. It'll save me opening it, and you've also got a bit of storage there as well, for those things which you want to put under your bed. Look at how much space there is in this one as well. Absolutely enormous. So that's pretty good really, if you want to start storing things. On the other hand, if you can't be bothered to lift up the mattress, you got the space there. And there's your boiler, so you could sit here in the evening and look at your boiler and just think of how many hours of enjoyment you could get from that. And there you have your wardrobe. Can't complain at the size of that. Hey, look at this, we've got the full details here. Who manufactured Trigano? It's made at the Corsone 53037 San Gimignano, which is a fantastic place to visit, by the way, because we've got these towers which were built in the 14th century, and it looks really wonderful. So anyway, there's a telephone if you want to ring them up. You say, I saw your video on YouTube and I thought it was a load of rubbish, right? So ring them up and tell them that, and there's the Trigano.it San Gimignano. Really outstanding. In fact, I went there in 2007, March 2007, and I videoed it. And I mean, the quality of the video is really, I mean, like everything I did then. I'm not suggesting it's all that much better now, but it is slightly better, and it isn't very good. But in my visit in 2014, it's a bit improved upon. So it's a wonderful place to visit. Really incredible, these towers which were built there. Okay, here's a fridge. Should read the owner's manual before use. I wonder if anybody ever did that. Right, here the kitchen. Right, enormous sink, but the cooker, sorry, the hobs are but two, which is the thing for 2022. But now, I just want to mention a point here that people say about wanting ovens. Well, if you wanted an oven, you could fit one in. For example, like, I'm sure it would go in here. It wouldn't be too difficult. You could pull the gas in somehow as well. But the thing is this: the companies that offer this build to order, and they offer, do you want an oven? And here in Germany, it's very rare that somebody says they do want an oven. In the UK they may do. They want an oven and a microwave and never use either. But it's also there's companies that say they won't export to the UK because they don't want to find themselves in the position of having to put ovens in vans. I heard that one yesterday. You can see some companies as well with the UK spec. Frankier's got one, it's got a special UK pack. So it gives the things like the oven and all the rest of it, but the habitation door is on the wrong side. I had somebody yesterday, oops, oh sorry. The thing turned round, probably because it's attached to a cable I've got there. I've got a cable from the gimbal to the telephone, because telephone's almost out of juice because I've been filming all day. Somebody said to me yesterday about getting a went to right-hand drive motorhome. He was from Bulgaria but lived in the UK, and he said you just can't find anywhere with a habitation door. You know, it's maybe right-hand drive, but the habitation door is always on that side. Right, here we've got the table, the stalking goes up and down. They're pretty expensive, these things. I think it's broken, but you're pressing this, and I think that does something about taking the stalk up and down. We'll have a walk on the outside. We'll see what we can see here, if anything. So, sorry, I said it's in a 7-meter class. It's 659 centimeters in length. So it's reading 6.5-meter class. So sorry, my mistake. No, this opens. Oh, it does. Never seen those things before. Have I, however, seen a gas cupboard before? Many times. Yeah, I'll show you a couple more vans. This one here, 699EB, so this is the 7-meter class, which costs 60,000 euros. I can see how it's been made bigger. And this one, a T745, which is, as I recall, 745 centimeters. I can't remember. 745, yes, sorry. And the 45 normally refers to the length. So, although automobiles got all sorts of funny numbers. Heimer as well doesn't mean anything. Never seems to be much of a difference in the toilet, but I can understand that you want to keep the same parts for the construction purpose, keep it easy. Hey, this one here, T649, it's got a SB. Well, that normally means single bed, or side bed, sorry, side bed. 59,000 for this side bedded version. I think the side, I won't be shutting myself in there. So which of these do you prefer? I ought to do these all individually. Spend a bit of time, because I do think that Forster has some nice vehicles now. Right, well, I've given you a short walk around their stand. I've shown you some of their vans, and now I've got myself so disorientated I can't remember which vehicle I started off with. So 659EB, I think it was. And yeah, I'll show you the haul as well. whilst it's empty. So you may have seen the lives I did, and on the live videos I'm walking around and there's stacks of people all over the place, and now it's completely empty. Anyway, this is the star of the show. This is the Forster 659 EV. Thanks for watching. Regards from Dusseldorf.